warehouses, whether they be greenfield site or brownfield site, but they're dedicated for the automation, not like a walk-in store for the customer.
Okay, so what's some safety features you have for these to make sure they don't like instead of picking a product, they pick a person or something like that?
Oh, what, sorry, pick a person?
Yeah, like...
Okay, well the system over there is captive.
Okay.
Okay, it's a SIL-3 rated system, so a human can't get inside of it unless you go through a special protocol, okay? And so everything about that system is safe.
Yeah.
If a human does need to go in there for maintenance, then the system shuts down. Everything comes to a controlled stop.
Okay.
The human can go on, change a light bulb, fix a piece of track, whatever. Yeah.
Okay, so if this system detects like a hazard in its way.
Okay, so these ones have got the cameras, 360. They've got 1, 2, 3, 4. One on the front there, one on the back there. And so if I was to go and stand in front of this, if I was to get past Duncan and go and stand in front of there, we go. Gonna do it? Okay. So this robot will detect Duncan. And try to get around him.
Oh, okay. So
but it won't run him over.
It'll just still try to get around him, even if he stands still in his way.
Correct.
Okay.
So these trucks are going to be designed to get round your existing warehouse. They'll work with your humans working.
Yeah.
They'll work with any other machinery you have.
Yeah.
And just navigate around it. Yeah.
Okay, so what's some mistakes you made in the past, and how do you not make those mistakes anymore?
Yeah. So when we first started in the year 2000, we built a monorail system. So we used a different type of technology. It was something you might find in a car manufacturing plant, like an assembly line.
Yeah.
And we had this kind of monorail system would snake around the building, and then people would collect items from pick shelves and place them onto what we called the train, like the monorail, right?
Yeah.
Well, that wasn't the right system. That system cost us $12 million.
Okay.
And 2 years later, we decided it wasn't the right mousetrap to solve the problem, so we just ripped it out. So that was really learning fast, and we could have carried on pushing that hard, but we made the bold decision to rip it out and start again, and that's where we turned, failure into progress. Then when we, in 2004, started to install those conveyors I talked to you about, we built one of the largest, most conveyed warehouses in the UK.
Okay.
And they take a long time to build, and they're very expensive, and we could have carried on going with that, but we decided to make a big decision and change our entire design and how we were going to design warehouse solutions going forward. So yeah, we have learned from big mistakes in the past. They've always been huge learnings for us, and we've always turned that failure into progress.
Okay, so for someone who doesn't know about automation or